guys, this is a cook with me video today. Nothing fancy, just a pot of chicken soup. And as you can see, all my ingredients are here. I'm gonna use some chicken neck, some chicken wings, and some chicken back. You know, the bony part of the chicken. So these are the best parts to use when you want to make some soup. Better flavors. So over here I have some yam. This is the Ghana yam. Piece of yellow yam. Chayote squash. Pumpkin. I'm not going to use all of this pumpkin, guys. It's a little on the sweetie side. Maybe a little piece. Closest thing to the Jamaican pumpkin. And what else we have here? We have the good old pumpkin flavored chicken noodle soup. Some carrots. Escallion. Thyme. And the good old scotch bonnet pepper. So those are all my ingredients, guys, and I'm gonna be putting some, spinners where you use the flour and you make your dumpling and stuff like that. So like I said, this is a cook with me video. Nothing too fancy, just a big pot of chicken soup. This is something that you can use, guys, if you're on a budget. This is a very good one-pot meal that you can take to work with you. You can eat it for dinner. You can eat it for your breakfast. It's so versatile. So like I said, if you're on a budget, this is your go-to. As you can see, my pot is already over there on the stove. So let's go ahead and wash this chicken. We're gonna use some lemon, just to cut away the rawness. You can also use vinegar. Do not have vinegar right now, so I'm just going to be using my lemon. All right. So this is a big lemon that I bought at the store today. So this is a pack of the chicken back. Like I mentioned before, I'm just going to divide it in half. I don't want to cook all of it because remember, I'm going to be mixing it with the chicken neck and the chicken wings. So let's see. This is the chicken wings. Also gonna use half a pack. So the chicken wing, guys, has like, a different flavor from the other parts of the chicken, and this going to help to give it a very, very nice flavor. Also, I'm going to use some of my chicken neck. So all these flavors gonna come together. This is what you want to use when you are making soup, guys. You get a better flavor. I know some of you gonna be scringing about the chicken neck, but remember, guys, it's all a part of the chicken. You can use all the parts from the chicken, the wings, the neck, the bones. Matter of fact, the bones, that's what they use for bone broth. So this is the way you're gonna look at it. This is where the flavors are in the bone. All right. So I'm using a little bit of like a lukewarm water. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up a little, squeeze my lemon on it, and that's it. My chicken is all washed and ready to go into the boiling water. We're gonna let this boil 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and prep my pumpkin. So I need to take out the inside here. This is the seed. So I'm just using my spoon and just, scooping it out. This is the seed. So the seed is all out, guys, and this is what it's looking like so far. So you can go ahead and just, just scoop it out as clean as you can get it. So like I said before, I'm not going to use all of it. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it in half. So this is it, guys. This is what I will be using. The other half I'll just leave for another time. Now I'm going to go ahead and peel my pumpkin just like this. So all you have to do, guys, is take your knife and just kind of just slice your pumpkin like this. Or you can just go ahead and cut it into small pieces and just drop it in the pot. Just like this. So this is like a dry pumpkin, and that's why it's a little hard to cut. You don't want to use that Halloween pumpkin, as you're not going to get that rich pumpkin color, yellow color. This is the one you want to use, guys, not that Halloween pumpkin. You want to get this. You can find this in the Caribbean stores. Very dry. I don't even know if, I think it's more like a squash. I don't know. But this is the one I use because it's giving me that dry Jamaican pumpkin and even the flavor. So this is all cut up. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the pot because I want it to, kind of just mashed out. Because the whole idea is to give it that rich yellow pumpkin look, that color, and also to flavor my pot. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. I'm gonna go ahead and peel my carrot. I can just put the carrot and the pumpkin in at the same time. Carrot will give it also, that rich color. So I might as well go ahead and peel that carrot. So I have this little peeler here. It's much easier. Organic carrot, guys, so little slender. All right. You can also use your knife. If you don't have a peeler, let me show you how you can use your knife. You can just use your knife, and all you gotta do is go ahead like this. Be very careful. You're not used to it. So you have option, guys. You can use a peeler or you can just go ahead and peel just like this. All right. So let me go back to my peeler. It's a little faster. So now that this is all peeled, I'm gonna go ahead and wash cut ups. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dice it. Now I'm putting in my pumpkin and carrot. Let it go ahead and boil along with my chicken, along with a little bit of salt. Not too much salt at this point, because you know the chicken noodle carries some salt, So we'll put some more in there a little later as we go along. So let's leave this pumpkin and carrot alone and let it go ahead and just boil out in the soup and give it that rich yellow color. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna peel my yellow yam, because you know yellow yam, it will never mashed up in the pot. I have never seen this yam, mashed out or boiled out into the pot and get mushy. So as you can see, this is what it's looking like out the skin. All these ingredients you can find at the Caribbean stores. This is like, you gotta be careful with these yams. Sometimes you buy them and they're no good when you come home. So it's like a gamble. Nevertheless, this is one is not, but it's not bad. In the meantime, let me just drop it in some water, because it's gonna give you that oxidized color. Don't want that. So you wanna, hurry and put it in the pot as soon as possible. But what I noticed that even though it's looking like this, after boiling, you're not gonna see that, you know, that brownish color to it. So let's go ahead and put it in the pot right away. Now I'm gonna go ahead and peel my Ghana yam. I don't want to cook a lot of it, just a little piece. So this is what it's looking like, guys. White, but I'm telling you, this is a very nice yam. You should try it if you never tried it before. Very nice and waxy, and it cooks easily. By the time the water boil up over it, it's already done. So this is what it's looking like. So let's go ahead and peel it. Just like this. Very nice yam. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off. Just gonna put it in the water, let it rest there for a little while until I peel my chayote squash. Is it chayote or chayote? Chayote squash. Chocho, otherwise called chocho. Chayote or chocho. So, yeah. All right. So that's that. Let's peel the chayote squash now. So this is the chayote, guys. Chocho. I like it in my soup. So all you gotta do is just peel off the skin, just like this, and there's a seed inside. Those of you that does not know this, vegetable, or is it a vegetable or it's a fruit? I don't know. Let's say anything with a seed is what, a fruit? Comment down below. Guys, my name is Bean Sonia Williams. Thanks for coming. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Those of you already subscribed, thanks a lot. Road to 1K. I have not put out any videos for a while now, guys. Very, very busy. But I'm getting back into the game. Today is just a cook with me video. Whole big pot of soup. Chicken soup with pumpkin and all those goodies. So comment down below. Let me know how do you make your soup. Alright. As for the chayote squash, I'm just gonna dice it up small pieces so that it can go ahead and just let off its own flavor. Now everybody in this soup, everything in this soup is giving off its own flavor. So at the end, it's gonna be a masterpiece. Everybody just come together and just blend. All right. All right. So let's check on the pot. Clean up a little, and I see you in a few. Also gonna go ahead and wash my thyme right here and my escallion, guys. What you want to do is cut off the bottom here. Strip it off a little if there's anything there to strip. For instance, this piece here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash this, beat it up a little. Over here, I have like, quarter pound of flour. And I just sprinkle like less than a teaspoon of salt in it. I'm gonna go ahead now and knead it. So let's check on the pot, see what's going on with the pumpkin and the carrot. I see my color coming in. See? So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to take this spoon. I'm just going to just kind of crush up the pumpkin. Speed it along. So you see that yellow color is coming in? That's because of the pumpkin. The pumpkin and the carrot, man. Those guys. Yep. Now it's time to put in the choyati or the chocho and the Ghana yam. Just like that. All right, let's give this a quick turn. As you can see, the meat is here. See, look at the yellow yam, not going nowhere. It will never mash up. Never. All right, so now I'm going to dress it up. Time to dress up. My escallion in there. All washed. Thyme. All washed. Drop my scotch bonnet. All washed. And give it a stir. Chicken wing is right here. Now, let's put in the dumpling. This is the dumpling, guys. Right texture. That's how you're gonna get a nice gummy dumpling. When you bite it, you hear click. Not shelly where flour falling out on the floor or over your table or in your mouth. Alright, so all you gotta do, you kind of roll and press. So this is like first one. Now I'm gonna make some little round ones. Little round ones like this. I like these little round. Gonna make some spinners also. So this is what you do with the spinners, guys. You just kind of just roll your spinner. Roll it so you see a spinner. So you make them like that. What we gotta do is pop off a little piece and roll. That's it. Nothing too complicated, as you can see. That's what it's looking like. All right, dumpling is in. Let's give it a quick stir again. Now, this is the time when you're gonna, check for salt. Put more if you want it. Put your chicken noodle if that's something you like to put in. Yeah. So I'm gonna be putting this in there, guys. This is what the pumpkin flavor cock soup. Because like I said, I didn't want to put too much of that pumpkin in there because if you put too much, then your soup kind of tastes sweetie, you know. So so this is the pumpkin flavor. All right, so this is the time when we are dressing up the soup, guys. Put whatever you want in there, what you like, right? So I'm gonna taste to see. I know I'm gonna need some more salt, but let me taste it first. You don't want salt your soup. Yeah, I definitely, I definitely need some salt. So eyeballing about teaspoon for now. I'll taste as I go along. Taste your pot, guys. So right now I'm just sprinkling a little bit of black pepper in there. I threw a few seed of pimento in there too. Drop two seed of pimento in there. Just like that. I don't know, maybe later on I'll put some butter in there, but as you know, I'm just trying to stay away from the grease like that. I don't think butter is not a must, but if you want to put butter in there, it's fine. Optional. So like I said, look at it at this point. We're gonna give it time to do its thing, and then we're gonna come on back and then we will see how it is looking. All right, guys, let's check on this soup. Wow. Look at this. Look at it, guys. Everything is everything is just together now. Look at the color. Look at it. You see that? The yum is there, the chicken, the dumpling. Take a look at it, guys. Not too thick, not too runny, just right. This is a very hearty soup. Carrot is there. The pumpkin is all mashed out. That's the idea. I got my nice rich yellow color soup. My pimentas. My pimento seed is right there. My escallion. Everything is good right here. So as you can see, guys, this is a very big pot of soup. Say you're on a budget, this can serve you for a week. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the escallion out the way. Don't need it anymore. Did its job, so there's no need. It's getting in my way. I need to get them out. So all you gotta do is take your fork or your spoon and just, remove them. Remove it from the soup. And there you go. So that you can get like free space to get your soup in your bowl. As you can see, here we go. It's all there. So now let's just, I'm gonna dive in and get myself like a lovely, still have another one right here. See? No obstacles.